Munnange mbabulire. Ebintu bye mutwalanga ebyama ebintu bye mutwalanga ebiri important. It's not important. When you're older, bills zote bagenda zisalako because you're older. Wano nabakadde bagula ebitu mu supermarket same price. Your life is not going to get cheaper. So when you're thinking about your life, think 10 years ago. Don't think about sex. That's why unless you go to porn star, you can't be having sex for 1 hour and go kola yoch. Okay, olunaku lulina 24 hours in a day. Olunaku lulina 24 hours in a day. Tell me how sex is very important in 24 hours of your day. Zimbabwe mufumbo for more than 10 years. It's not even on the menu. Most times it's not. I just be there sat in bed. We are planning our future. Abana tubakole investment tugule kino. We don't think about sex. Tompadde ko lero ngenda kwechanga. Ugandans bane muva bine ebintu. Mulowooza nnyo ku bintu kwepikya all the time sex. You mess your entire life out for just 10 minutes of glory.